How to pay later with Temu. Let's get started. First, start by browsing the Temu e-commerce marketplace. You'll find a wide range of products available. Select the items you want to buy and add those items to the cart. Once you are ready, proceed to checkout. Here you will see various payment options. Look for the Pay Later option and select it. After selecting Pay Later, complete your purchase by confirming your order. Temu will charge you the first installment, which is 25% of the total order value at the time of purchase. The remaining 3 payments is 25% of the total order value will be automatically charged to your credit card every 14 days. This way you spread out your payments over 6 weeks. And the best part, you'll receive your order products immediately and you have 6 weeks to pay off the total amount without incurring any interest charges. This feature allows you to make affordable purchases and manage your finances flexibility. Just a couple of things to keep in mind. Eligibility criteria may apply, so review Temu's guidelines before using this feature. And make sure you make your payments on time to avoid any late fees. That's it. Using Temu's Pay Later feature is a convenient way to shop online. Follow these simple steps and you can easily manage your payments over 6 weeks. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.